Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a tasty and delicious eggless no-bake chocolate cheesecake. To make this chocolate cheesecake, I am using Marie biscuit. You can use any digestive biscuit of your choice. Add these biscuits in a large mixie jar. We'll be making the entire recipe in this mixie jar. Roughly chop up the biscuits into smaller pieces so that it will grind easily. I have given all the ingredients list in the description box. You can check it out. Powder the biscuits nicely like this. Now add some melted butter to these biscuits and grind it again. Mix it nicely. I am using an adjustable cake ring to set this cheesecake. I am going to set it for 8 inches 20 centimeters. You can use any springform tins also. Transfer the biscuit mixture into the cheesecake ring and spread it evenly. Pack it tight with a cup or a spoon. Leave this in the refrigerator till we finish the next layer. Now for the cheesecake layer, I have taken about 300 grams of dark chocolate. Add half a teaspoon of coffee powder. This coffee powder enhances the flavor of the chocolate. Then add 2 tablespoons of gelatin to half a cup of cold water. Mix it nicely and then leave this aside for 5 to 10 minutes for the gelatin to bloom well, and then we can heat it up. Now the chocolate is melted nicely. Mix it till it's smooth and leave it aside to cool completely. I am using the same mixie jar. To the mixie jar, add 200 grams of paneer. If you don't want to add paneer, you can use the same amount of cream cheese. I did not get any cream cheese, so I am adding paneer. Along with the paneer, I am adding some amul whipping cream. This is the red packet. Add the whole small packet into the mixie jar. Instead of this cream, you can use any heavy whipping cream also. Then add condensed milk. Close the mixie jar and blend till all of these three is nice and smooth. Then add the cooled melted chocolate. And also, once the gelatin blooms, heat it in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds. It will become a clear solution like this. Wait for it to cool down and then add it into the mixie jar. Close the mixie and blend everything together till it's nice and smooth like this. Now bring the biscuit layer from the fridge and then pour the cheesecake mixture on top of the biscuit layer. Leave this in the fridge to set for about 4 hours. This is after 4 hours. Now I am going to remove the ring, the outer ring. Finally, add some cooled ganache on top of the cheesecake layer and spread it evenly. You can cut into the cheesecake now itself, or I prefer to leave it in the refrigerator for 1 hour before cutting. So this is it, a tasty and delicious and well set chocolate cheesecake is done. I love no-bake cheesecakes and I enjoy making different varieties of it, and this chocolate one is one of my favorites. It's set perfectly. The texture is so soft and smooth. It's very easy to make because we are making the entire recipe in a mixie jar. I love adding paneer to my cheesecakes. If you don't want to add paneer, you can always go for cream cheese. It tastes just the same. So do try out this delicious no-bake chocolate cheesecake. Until next time, bye-bye.